Hey foodies, and welcome back to Cooking with Kiana. Today I have another delicious recipe for you guys. Okay, today we're making honey butter glazed salmon. It's a super delicious recipe. It's easy to make and you're gonna love it. So let's get started. So here are the seasonings that I'm gonna be using for this recipe. I'm gonna be using 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 2 teaspoons of complete seasoning, a half a tablespoon of chili powder, and a half a tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes, and a half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Now let's move on to that honey brown butter glaze. So you want to go ahead and just melt a half a stick of butter. I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of honey to that, as well as 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of honey mustard. And we're also going to add in a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's going to give it a nice kick. I'm also going to add in a half of a squeezed lime or lemon, and just keep stirring that until that is a smooth syrupy like consistency, just like that. And today I'm going to be using these frozen salmon fillets. Just think, if I could hook these up, imagine how great it would taste if you use fresh salmon. So you just want to go ahead and pat that dry. Make sure you get out all of that excess water. You're going to flip that over and pat dry the other side as well. If you're using frozen salmon like me, make sure you let these thaw out before you decide to cook them. That way they can cook evenly. All right, so now we are gonna start seasoning these. So you just wanna go ahead and grab that bowl full of spices and just mix that all together until that is well combined. And I'm gonna be seasoning the skin side first. That is why I made sure these were completely dry, because you want that seasoning to stick to that skin. I'm not gonna add any oil to this side because I wanted to get a nice crisp on there. We do not want the skin side to be soggy. We want it to be nice and crispy. Now I'm just going to go in with my hands and pat that in. That way that seasoning can really stick. So just make sure you really pack that on good. And let me tell you, with that seasoning, it's going to be so flavorful. It's going to have a nice little kick of spice to it as well. And that sweet honey sauce is just going to make it even better. So let's go ahead and flip these over. And we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil to our salmon and just rub that in. This is going to help the seasoning stick to our salmon, and it's also going to give it a nice brown crust. So once you feel like you've rubbed that in enough, I'm going to go ahead and season these salmons. We're just going to season them just like we seasoned the other side. Make sure you add a generous amount, and don't be shy with that seasoning. I promise you it's going to make this salmon taste even better. And we didn't use salty seasoning, so you don't have to worry about it being salty. If anything, it's just going to have more flavor. So just like we did on the other side, you want to go ahead and just pat that seasoning in just to make sure it sticks. Make sure you get every side. Now, once we're done with that, it is time to sear these. I'm just going to add a little bit of olive oil to my pan, and we're going to sear this on a medium to high heat, more so on the high side. We're going to add in those salmon skin side down. And I'm going to sear these for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Keep in mind, I'm using a thinner salmon. If you're using a thicker one, you want to add on about a minute or two. And as you can see, that salmon skin is nice and crispy. And because some of that fat kind of rendered off from that salmon skin, it's going to give the salmon such an amazing flavor. So let's go ahead and flip that over as well. And as you see, that has a beautiful skin on there. And now that we have seared these on both sides, let's go ahead and remove them from our pan so we do not overcook these. As you can see, our salmons have a nice crust on them. That is exactly what you want. And no, these are not burnt. Don't be scared of a little char. So in that same pan, I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of butter. And we're going to add in that honey glaze sauce. And we're just going to go ahead and let that melt, stirring that occasionally. You want it to bubble up just like this. And let me tell you, it just looks so amazing. Make sure you cook this on a low heat. You want this to slowly rise and bubble. We do not want to burn this sauce because it has honey in it. Once it is a syrupy-like consistency and it is bubbling up, go ahead and turn off your stove and add in those salmons so we can go ahead and glaze it with that honey butter sauce. Just go ahead and keep basting that until our salmons are fully covered. And let me tell you, this was absolutely delicious. You want to talk about flavor? That is exactly what you're going to get with this dish. Sweet, savory, spicy, just absolutely amazing. I know you guys want to try this recipe. That's why I left it in the description box below. Once you guys try this, be sure to leave me a comment below. Let me know how it came out. Also, if you guys like this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That lets me know that I'm doing my job. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a new recipe every week. Now let's go ahead and cut into this so you guys can just see how that inside is. As you can see, it is still flaky. For it to be a frozen salmon and for it to be really thin, it was very flaky and juicy and moist. It was just packed with so much flavor. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.